Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. Today I'm gonna show you how to make some sago porridge vegan style. This is a great breakfast to wake up to. It's super filling and it's incredibly easy, and I cannot wait to show you guys how to make it. So let's get to it. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need some plant-based milk. My choice of plant-based milk was almond milk because it's really accessible and it has a neutral taste to it. So rather than using coconut milk, I wanted to use almond milk, but you can use any type of plant-based milk to make this recipe. I also have some sago pearls, not to be mistaken for tapioca pearls. They're not the same thing. Sago and tapioca are not the same thing, FYI. I also have some water as well, some cinnamon sticks. I have some bitters as well, so it's not vanilla, it's bitters that I'm using, some cloves, nutmeg, and some pink salt. I also have some sweetener as well. My choice of sweetener is raw cane sugar, but it's not in the film. I forgot to put it when I was putting out the ingredients, so you will see halfway through when I'm preparing the recipe that the raw cane sugar will show up. But you can use any type of sweetener. You can use agave, you can use coconut nectar, or should I say coconut sugar. You can use condensed milk if you want to, so anything like that you can use for your sweetener as well. So the first thing we want to do is to hydrate our sago pearl. So I'm just going to pour some water into that bowl. So I have cold water that I'm using. I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes to soak. So this is what the sago looks like after 10 minutes. As you can see, most of the water is absorbed and the sago is larger. So the next thing we're going to do is to pour some more water into a large saucepan along with some cloves and also the cinnamon sticks and the sago as well. What I forgot to say is that I drained off the excess water from the sago, so I'm just putting in the actual sago into some more water on the stove. Then once I add the sago, the next thing I'm going to do is just stir it. I'm going to continue to stir it on medium heat until it becomes like a paste texture. So you're going to see that the color is going to become more translucent and the texture will get thicker, almost like a paste. Once it gets to a paste consistency, then I'm going to show you what to do next. So this is what the paste consistency looks like. So this is what you're looking out for. And the next thing we're going to do now is we're just going to add some of the plant-based milk. So in my case, I'm going to be adding my almond milk, and we're just going to leave it now to simmer for about, say, 5 to 10 minutes. What I do is when I'm simmering it, I'm just stirring it occasionally. So you want to make sure that you're stirring it occasionally so it doesn't stick to the pot, even though you should be using a non-stick pot for a recipe like this. So just keep stirring until the milk is incorporated into the paste-like texture, and it's going to take, like I said, several minutes to cook through and become a nice smooth porridge. So this is what the porridge looks like after simmering it for several minutes, and it's nice and thick and it's smooth. If it is too thick for your liking, then please do add some more plant-based milk or add some more water. So now I'm just going to add the bitters, and then I'm gonna add my pink salt and nutmeg, and I'm also going to add the sweetener as well. So like I said, my choice of sweetener was raw cane sugar, which I didn't show at the beginning. So you can use any type of sweetener. I don't like my sago porridge to be too sweet, so I only add a small amount. So you're just going to stir that in. And I forgot to say that sago is different from tapioca starch because it not only is it smaller, it also comes from the pith, if I can say that right, of the palm tree, well as tapioca starch comes from the cassava root. So that's the difference, and that's how we make our porridge. So guys, that's how you make some vegan style sago porridge, a really simple, filling and delicious breakfast to have in the mornings. I do hope you make this recipe. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and please subscribe. I'll see you on the other side.